Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel of chilled, relaxed plant content where we talk about our plants and we try to learn the best way to grow them. If that sounds like something you're interested in, you want to participate in, hit the subscribe button and let's be plant friends. So today is June 1st. It is 12:08 a.m. I'm very excited. I wanted to make sure I was up early. This is very early. I actually haven't gone to bed yet, so whatever. I was just excited, and I'm very excited for picking the winners of my Planty giveaway for the Hoya bundle, Peperomia bundle, and Philodendron bundle. So how we're gonna do this is I'm going to go into an app and it's gonna like generate the winner. I'm gonna try to screenshot it. You'll see it at the end of this video so that you guys can see the winners as well. I'm gonna contact the winner through the comment section of that original video, and I'm gonna give you guys my Instagram and my email, my like Planty YouTube email, so that we can set up a secure way for me to get your address so that I can send out the plants. So, yeah, I'm excited. Are you guys excited? I'm gonna also film the boxing up of these bundles because I have a bunch of propagations that are little extras that I'm gonna throw in, and I would like for everybody to see the extras that I throw in. I will be posting those videos after the recipients or the winners receive their plants, the little plant bundle, so we don't like spoil the surprise. But yeah, I'm excited. So I want to give out an early congratulations to whoever it is that wins, and I'll be in touch. Alrighty guys, peace.